How to repost a story on Instagram. So there are some criterias. You can't just randomly go and add anybody's story on your Instagram story. They need to tag you or mention you in that certain story. Then only you can go and repost it. See, my friend has mentioned me in this story. So here you get the option of putting that story in your story. So I'll open that, and here you can see add to your story. Click on add to your story, and now if you click on once, you can select full screen or half screen, whatever you want. You can even add text, whatever you want, filters and everything. Then simply just click on add to your story. Now wait for a few seconds. See, it's posting. Yeah, it has posted. See, I have reposted the story of my friend. So that's how you repost your story on Instagram.